Alright y'all, so we got this oil leak right here on this sealing bolt. Get under there and show you. Right here, where the sealing bolt connects to the crankcase. Behind the sealing bolt is the oil pressure sensor. I don't know if somebody already changed this. There was two owners before me, and it looks like there's some silicone in there. So I'm not sure if that came from the factory like that or it's been changed. But anyways, the leak is coming from the sealing bolt to this. So I'm not going to take the oil pressure sensor out. I'm just going to unscrew this wire and undo the whole assembly, put some silicone on it, and close it back up. Alright, so since I'm doing the whole assembly, first thing I'm going to do is just take this wire off. No oil should come out of this. Now I'm just going to undo the whole assembly. Alright, let's back this thing on out. And no oil even dropping from there, that's good. So I'm gonna just clean this up and clean this bolt off, and then put some sealing on it. Alright, so while that's soaking, I just wanted to talk to y'all real quick. So first and foremost, I am no mechanic. I'm making a lot of assumptions in this video, so follow me with some caution. Now, this is a 2009 Honda CBR600rr. I'm pretty sure this is going to be the same procedure for the 2007 all the way up to the current 2019. I'm sure it probably goes back further too, but I don't know. Yeah, making the assumption that I could tighten this back down without using the torque specifications because I don't have those. And I'm making the assumption that a sealant will help stop this leak because that's just metal on metal there. All right, so I got it sitting in this brake cleaner, letting it soak up. I'm assuming that was some sort of thread locker on there. So yeah, I'm gonna clean this off. I'm not gonna use any more thread locker. I'm just going to put that sealant. All right, we got the continuous bead of that which one is this, the ultra black bead maker. Just gonna screw this on finger tight, come back in an hour and tighten it all the way down. All right, we got it on there finger tight. You can see the sealant starting to ooze out a little bit. We let it sit here for an hour and then we'll come back and tighten it all the way on. All right, y'all, I misspoke in the last video. This was actually a gasket maker, not a bead maker. And I've let it cure for the 24 hours. Took it out on about 20 miles and it is no longer leaking. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And y'all stay blessed. Don't be too stressed. See y'all in the next one. Peace.